In this video, we're integrating the quantity 1 plus 2 sine x all squared. And the first step here is to just expand everything, and then we're going to look at all the individual terms and try to integrate those. So squaring a binomial means you have to use FOIL to do that. And my first term is 1. My second term, I'm going to combine the two cross terms. Each cross term is made of a 1 times 2 sine x. So 2 sine x plus another 2 sine x gives me 4 sine x. And my final term is 2 sine x times itself, which is 4 sine squared x. And those first two pieces are easy to do. The sine squared part has to be transformed with a trig identity. And sine squared can be replaced with 1/2 times the quantity 1 minus cosine of 2x, and the 1/2 cancels the factor of 2. And that's an identity you use all the time when you run into an even power of sine sitting in an integral. And just to clean things up before I actually guess antiderivatives, when I distribute the 2, I end up with a constant of 2 there, and I'm going to combine it with the 1 out in front. So I have 3 plus 4 sine x minus 2 cosine 2x dx. And at this point, we can just guess antiderivatives term by term. So the antiderivative of 3 is 3x. The antiderivative of 4 sine x, well, the 4 is a spectator there. And the thing I differentiate to get the sine function is negative cosine. So I have negative 4 cosine x. And then my 2 cosine 2x term, that's already conveniently set up to use the chain rule backwards. The derivative of the argument of the cosine function is sitting right there out in front of this thing. So I can quickly guess that this comes from differentiating the sine of 2x. When you differentiate sine 2x, you take the derivative with respect to 2x and you get cosine 2x. Then the chain rule says multiply by the derivative of 2x, which is that 2. So this works. And finally, don't forget to put the plus c on there, and we're done. If you find the math content on Zach's Lab helpful, click on the Zach's Lab logo on the right to browse playlists and subscribe to the channel. I produce dozens of new videos per month, and subscribing is the easiest way to find new content. Thanks for watching.